Hi, this is Kenny from Highsider, and this is the Dennis Kirk Product Spotlight. All right, so today we're going to talk about the Highsider Stealth X4 Mirror. This mirror is going to have a couple really impressive features built into it. It's going to have a really wide white driving light built into the stem, and then at the tip you're going to have an amber turn signal. These are really cool features because you can actually clean up the front end of the bike while providing more forward visibility. It's going to be a full CNC stem with a pivot point, so you can dial it into whatever side you need, whatever height you need. And then it's going to have impact resistant ABS mirror head. The pivot point is going to be very, very stiff, so it's not going to blow around in the wind. So these are really cool because they are going to be general fit for most motorcycles on the market. You're going to have adapters for Honda, Indian, Yamaha with the reverse thread, Kawasaki. Harley-Davidson adapters are sold separately. Get yours today at the Highsider brand page on DennisKirk.com.